weekly vlog. I'm about to film a video right now. That's what's on my agenda for this morning. It's Saturday, so I just pulled my hair back and I put a little scarf in the front. I have my coffee and my coffee here, my mirror. I use this to film. It's amazing to film with. I have my mic on, camera, lights, and my monitor to see myself and also control the camera, because it's like the best thing ever to control the camera from this chair. This tray of makeup that I probably will be using, but the highlight of the video I'm filming is the Huda Beauty, the new foundation. So I'm gonna do like a review on this and see how I like it. I wanted to compare it to the old one, but honestly I cannot find it, so I think I might have thrown it out. So yeah, so I just got done filming, you guys. It took me a few hours, so I'm so happy to be done. I'm just gonna have some coffee. I barely drank any. So I did a Target haul, which you guys will see soon, and I also did my impression on the Huda Beauty foundation, which I kind of have to still film the rest of the day. I have to kind of still do my I still have to do my check-ins for the Huda Beauty foundation throughout the day to let y'all know how I like it. I also want to film a perfume collection video because I saw some of you guys were asking for that, and I also needed to film the Natasha Denona collection. I also wanted to go to the Morphe store to pick up the foundation that launched, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. It's kind of a journey. How are y'all doing? Let me know in the comments how you guys are doing and how your week's been going, how January was for you, because it's officially the end of January, the longest month of the year. Like every year January just feels so long. Like every single day you feel every single one of those 31 days. Like it just feels like a really long month every single year. I'll show you guys a little bit of what I got. It's a sneak peek, I guess. So this is a little sneak peek of what I got at Target. You guys will see, you'll see the rest in the haul. I'll show you guys the pens though, because I'm about to use them. I got these pens from the brand Noted, and it's from Post-it, but they have the cutest stationery products at Target. Y'all know I love stationery, so I could not pass up on it. I had to get them. So I got the three. These are the colors of the pen, I think. I don't think they're black. They are so cute. Let me show you guys how they write my name. Look how cute these are. Let me try this one. I love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna write the date right here. Wait, what am I writing? Why did I just write 30? So I wrote 29, and then in my head I was like, oh crap, today is actually the 30th, and instead of writing 21 for the year, I wrote 30, which is what my brain was thinking. I like the way they write. I love pens that write really well. You know, doesn't every millennial like pens that write really well? I don't know. I actually wanted to show you guys some things I got at the beauty supply store yesterday. So I got this hair tie. This is from this brand, but I think these are like all the same brand. They just put different labels on their products at the beauty supply store. I'll put y'all back here. Yeah. This is what it looks like. I feel like you can never have too many of these. Like I just like having new ones. So this is a new one. Then I got two of these. I actually used the black one already, and it's really good. It actually has a little bit of stretch to it, like a tiny bit, but I really love it. It's an edge scarf, and it's just for your edges, which I've never seen these in real life. I've seen them on YouTube. I've seen people using them, but I never seen them at my beauty supply stores. When I saw it, I jumped right on it, and honestly I might go back and get some more because these are perfect. Most of the time I really just am concerned about my edges being laid and not getting too messy when I sleep or during the day or whenever, and these are perfect because I don't know about you, but headscarves, like whenever I wear the full headscarf, it never stays on my head. It's always gone by the morning, and I just feel like these would be perfect. I need to change the battery in my camera because it's dying, so I have my other battery charging at all times. I'm gonna take this one out and put it in here. That's how you stay on your game, okay? I'm just kidding, y'all. I am loving this makeup look though. I am feeling this makeup look, except the fact that my eye is just like so annoying. The Bell's palsy eye is just like still looking droopy. I also wanted to show you guys a couple things I got at Zara. New Zara bag. It says shop online. Like, they don't want you in their store. Which makes perfect sense because every time I go to Zara, the line is so long. Like, they literally have like 2 cashiers and the line is like from the cashier in the back of the store all the way to the front. And I'm like, why is this always happening? They don't want you in their store. They want you to shop online, girl. Like, the bag says shop online. It don't even say Zara. Wait, does it say Zara? It says it right here under here. But it says www.zara.com shop online, sis. Don't come to my store. I think it's so funny. I don't know why I think that's hilarious, but I definitely think it's funny. Alright, so I got this skirt. Let me put it down. So this is the skirt that I got. It's like a cream color. And I got a large. I thought it would be really nice. It's cream. I don't want to touch it too much because my hand has makeup on it. I was like showing you guys these products that I got at Target. You guys will see that in my Target video. But yeah, I like this skirt. This is the other thing right here. It's a poncho style. Like a poncho. I really love it. I wore it yesterday and it feels really comfortable. Hey Clay. What you doing?
Laying.
So I got those 2. I also got a pair of jeans, but I don't know where they are. I think they're in I can't find them for some reason. I wore them yesterday and I don't know what I did with them. So I need to go look for those because they were really comfy, so I actually want to get another pair. Alright, so I turned down the saturation on my camera to see if maybe the foundation would look better. I think it looks a little better. Update on the air fryer. I did try it out a couple times this week and I love it. So I use it for fish fillet, which for these for Clay because he loves fish fillet. So I used these in there and they were perfect, nice and crispy. So I'm gonna try it with these as well. Which I know they're gonna come out good because usually these types of foods come out really good in the air fryer. I'll show you guys what I got at Starbucks, at Target and Starbucks. I got these drinks because I was looking for the Suja green juices and I couldn't find them, so I got these from Evolution. And I think these have more sugar. Well, they don't have added sugar, I guess, but the Suja ones are only 80 calories and these are like 170, so it's definitely more calories for some reason. I'm not sure why. Maybe they have more fruit in these. Yeah, there's a lot more fruit: orange, pineapple, and mango, and then these vegetables. So I got these at Starbucks. So I just got done taking a few pictures for Instagram. I got this at Boohoo. It's really nice. It's like a flowy dress, so it's perfect for me. I like anything that hides my stomach, basically, until I get rid of it. Whenever that happens. I'm kind of like, it's really cold outside, you guys, so like I'm kind of wondering if I should go to Morphe or not because it's so cold. I don't want to go anywhere. You know that weather when it's like too cold to function? That's how I feel right now. Another outfit change. So I just changed into this sweatshirt. Johnny is gonna go with me to Trader Joe's. I'm so excited. And we're gonna go to the Garden State Plaza to the Morphe store as well. So excited, so excited. All right, so I was doing some shoots for Instagram. I did like a little reel of these products in this tray. This is from QVC. I'll link this tray down below. I think it's so cute. It's not super big, but it's like a nice size. This is from Home Goods, so I can't link it, but I really love it as well. All right, so I'm sending my pictures over to my cell phone. I'm airdropping the ones that I took today. We're at the gas station right now. It's like really bright. Sorry, Johnny's putting gas in. I'm driving today. I'm driving. I told Johnny that I would drive, so I told Johnny I would drive so that he would come with me. Yeah, so we're getting gas and he's getting coffee, and then we're gonna head down to Jersey. Right now I'm trying to like edit my pictures, not edit them completely, but I'm just putting my preset on them. This is the preset that I use for Instagram. It's from Erica Evans, and she's a photographer. She's actually based in Texas, and she takes pictures of Jaleesa, which is one of my favorite Instagram influencers. So I love her content. But yeah, so I use these presets and they just add a nice tone to my picture. Let me show you guys the before and after. Like sometimes I like both the before and after, but I really like the consistency of the preset. So basically this is before and this is after with the preset, and you can adjust the preset to make it look how you want it to look. but typically I just leave it like this and I really like it. So this is how the picture looks before, and I'm gonna just paste the preset on it, and you can see it changed the tone of the picture. So I really like that, and it just gives your whole feed the same vibe. And sometimes I do forget to use it, but yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this picture of Cali, you guys. It's so, I love it. So someone take the vitamins. Someone take the and I don't want him to be there. So I just got home, finished filming my little last clip of the review of that foundation. Whew. I feel like I'm breathing OD. I'm gonna take we did grocery shopping at Target. I was gonna go to Trader Joe's, but the line was so long. I was like, oh no girl, like I'm not waiting online. The Morphe store did not have the foundation, so I couldn't get it. They said it comes into the store on the 15th, which is super annoying because typically whenever there's a new release, they have it in the store that same day. So I'm gonna have to order it, and I don't even know what shade to get. It's just, but I did get a couple lip products at Target. Let me show y'all what I got. These Valentine's Day stuff for the kids' classes. But these are the two things from Mented. I'll show you guys what they are. I'm gonna just finish this while I show you guys these products. This is the lipstick in the shade Brand Nude. Packaging. This is the color here. The color. You can barely see it, but it's like a nude-ish color. I don't think so, guys.
But I didn't watch it all day. Clay watched it all day.
And then I got this lip liner in, ooh, perfect. So this is it here. It's a brown liner and it looks perfect. It looks perfect. Feels amazing. I love it. But oh my god, what do you guys think about like this type of bubble ponytail? What do y'all think about that? Like I kind of like this. I feel like I might get this.